English shorthand dictation speed 80 word per minute. Dictation start in 5 seconds. Start. According to the distinguished advocate, the two cases were not identical, which came up for discussion before the Kerala High Court. One was about the defective printing of a book on mechanical engineering written by an eminent mechanical engineer, and the other was regarding the delayed publication of a book on mathematics written by a great mathematician. The two cases were not uniform. According to the first petitioner, the defective printing of the book was not a misfortune but was a deliberate negligence on the part of the publisher. In the second case, the author had claimed damages from the publisher for the non publication of his book in time, but the defense counsel said that the delay in the publication was beyond his control, and the publisher was not obliged to publish the book by a fixed date for submission to the Academy for award. The authors claimed that they had bright chances for winning the awards, as they were informed that no books on these topics had been received by the Academy. The Defense Counsel stated yesterday that according to the agreement, the books were to be published by the end of October, and the publisher had a definite project for publication which was decided well in advance. Regarding the printing mistakes in the book of mathematics, the defense counsel stated that the third proof was given to the author on his specific instructions for final approval. The executive director of the press was cross-examined by the prosecution counsel, and there was no circumstantial evidence which would prove any negligence on the part of the press or its incapacity. The court held that it was not necessary to republish the book now, and the mistakes could be rectified at the time of its republication. After cross-examination, the mistake of the author was established, and the court dismissed the case. The problem of publication of this book was thus further complicated with the strained attitudes of the publisher and the author. Anyway, the program of the republication remained undecided by its publishers due to discontentment on both sides. The book, however, could not win prize from the university, and the expectations of the authors were belied. It is a universal fact that at least three proofs are to be read for correctly printing a book. This practice is universally adopted by all writers and publishers. Stop.